Hi friends, you're watching TechPoint right now. Today, I'll show you a selection of 4 very cool and amazing items from Amazon. For sure, you haven't seen them. All gadgets will have links in the description. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you don't want to miss out on our new videos. If you are bored with typing on your phone all the time, then you can use this device. Because it has a laser keyboard, or you can say it air screen keyboard. Including a laser keyboard, you also get a power bank. It has 2 LED lights on the front and a sensor at the bottom that can detect the keyboard and turn it on. It can also easily connect to Android and iOS. To use it, you first pair it with Bluetooth, and then it will convert from a smartphone keyboard to a laser keyboard. To turn it on, you have to hold down its power button for 2 seconds. Then it will immediately activate the laser keyboard. And the keyboard has all standard level buttons. If you want to buy this device, I gave its link in the description. Second on our list is a Onewheel skateboard. It does not have tires like a normal skateboard. It only has a large wheel in the center of the board. By removing other tires, it becomes this super cool electric skateboard. It is very simple to drive by tilting back and forth or left and right. It doesn't fly, but it looks cool, especially when you go for a walk with your friends. Similarly, the LightCam is a brand new technology currently in the development stage, but the company plans to launch the product soon. It is currently available on Indiegogo. The idea behind this light bulb is to provide a security camera that almost anyone can use. One big problem we see in most rental houses is that homeowners are not properly protected because they are not allowed to install customized security equipment or security cameras. This brings serious risks to renters. For some people, this can make the renting process very difficult. LightCam aims to solve this problem by making the security camera into a bulb that can be installed in any standard bulb socket. The camera connects to your Wi-Fi network and allows you 24/7 video footage. No matter where you are, you can adjust the camera up and down. It can even spin, making it suitable for use in any light fixture. You can also install a micro SD card to store any material for later use. It is also weatherproof and can record up to 1080p video recordings. If you want to grow your own fruits and vegetables in your city apartment, then your dream has come true. Grove is an artificial ecosystem. It consists of a fish tank and a small vegetable garden. Fish waste is used throughout the year to grow fresh and healthy products. Grove is similar to a wooden cabinet with a built-in automation system. The system is based on a highly advanced agricultural method called aquaponics. Fish produce ammonia-rich waste and beneficial microorganisms that transform into nitrates, which in turn act as organic plant fertilizers. The system is independent and sufficient. Plants get all the necessary nutrients, and the water becomes clean through continuous circulation. In this way, fish and plants do complementary work, and you don't need to clean the water tank. Temperature and humidity sensors and special LED lamps that imitating sunlight create perfect conditions for optimal plant growth. For this reason, it is very important to pay close attention to the equipment settings. It has also designed an application called the Grove Operating System, which will enable you to control the entire process from selecting fish to sowing and harvesting. It seems hard to believe, but in just 1.5 months, you can taste nutritious fresh fruits and vegetables in your own home. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe this channel. Write in the comment section which gadget you like the most.